Forget the iPhone 17 Pro might just deliver what Apple fans have been dreaming about for years. Face ID hidden under the display. No more notches, no more holes, just one clean, uninterrupted screen. It sounds futuristic, but according to some very credible sources, this could finally become reality. Display expert Ross Young, who's known for accurately predicting Apple's screen tech, recently shared some interesting news. He mentioned that OTI Lumionics, a company working on advanced display materials, expects phones with under-display Face ID to hit the market by 2026. And that, in his opinion, strongly hints that the iPhone 18 Pro could be first in line. Now, this isn't the first time we've heard rumors about under-display Face ID, but this time it feels different. Leaks are lining up, including reports that the iPhone 18 Pro series might also feature under-display camera technology. It's not clear whether that includes Face ID or not, but either way, Apple seems to be on a mission to remove any visible ILOS sensors from the screen. But here's the real question: will it work well? Other companies have tried it, and let's just say their under-display cameras often look like you took a selfie with a potato. If Apple wants to pull this off, it needs to make sure the photo and Face ID quality doesn't suffer, because let's face it, we all want to look good in our Zoom calls and Snapchat filters, not like a 144p meme. While we dream about the iPhone 18, the iPhone 17 lineup is gearing up for release this September, and it might be Apple's most ambitious update in years. Rumor has it even the base models will finally get a 120Hz ProMotion display. That means buttery smooth scrolling across the board, no more paying extra just for a refresh rate that Android phones had years ago. The screens are getting larger too. The standard iPhone 17 Pro may go up to 6.3 inches, while the Pro could stretch to a whopping 6.9 inches. Great news if you love streaming or gaming, maybe not so great for your pockets. Meanwhile, the front camera is said to jump to 24 megapixels with a 6-element lens, making it a big win for selfie lovers and FaceTime addicts. Now, let's talk about iOS 19. This one's interesting. Apple is apparently working on cross-device Wi-Fi sync. Imagine you're at your favorite coffee shop, you log into their Wi-Fi on your iPhone, and bam, your iPad and MacBook connect too automatically. No need to retype your name and email on every device. It's a tiny feature, but one that could save a lot of frustration. Of course, using public Wi-Fi always comes with risks. Unencrypted networks and man-in-the-middle attacks are real concerns. So while it's a cool convenience, you'll want to make sure your phone is up to date and secure before jumping onto every free hotspot. We're also hearing that iOS 19 might bring a fresh visual update. That includes new icons, redesigned menus, and even a relocated search bar, from the top of the screen to the bottom. It's not official yet, but if true, your iPhone might feel very different later this year. And then there's the iPhone 17 Pro, the ultra-slim device everyone's buzzing about. Leaks suggest it could be as thin as 5.5 millimeters. That's thinner than a pencil. But with that sleek design comes some odd choices. For example, the USB-C port might be slightly off-center, possibly due to internal component reshuffling. It's a small detail, but some Apple fans are already side-eyeing it. The iPhone 17 Pro might also ditch the SIM tray and go full eSIM, even outside the US. That would be a bold move, and it shows Apple is doubling down on the slim, minimal design. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo even suggests that this airline won't be a one-time experiment. Expect a new slim model every year, like a more modern version of the old SE lineup. So whether you're excited about invisible Face ID, a smoother display, or finally not needing to fill out the same Wi-Fi form 10 times, the next wave of iPhones is looking exciting and ambitious. Apple could be heading into a design revolution, and you don't want to miss it. If you found this video helpful, entertaining, or just plain cool, hit that like button and subscribe for more Apple leaks, news, and updates. And while you're here, check out these videos on screen now for a deep dive into iOS 19 and a full breakdown of the iPhone 17 Pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.